I'm Tommy, this is Out of the Woodwork, and I'm going to show you how to build this cutting board. This is going to be a side grain cutting board, and I'm going to make it out of walnut and maple. I'm going to start out at the joiner, get a nice flat edge, and then at the table saw I'm going to cut these into 1-inch strips. Now 1 inch is how thick I want the cutting board to be, so I cut these strips out, we turn those to get that thickness, and then we glue them all together, and that gives us our size. So once the walnut and the maple strips are cut out, I'll put them all together, rearrange them, get the pattern that we want, and then we'll be ready to glue up. I let the cutting board stay in clamps all night, so now I've got to scrape the glue squeeze out. And then just because all these strips never are perfectly even, when I made this, I made sure it would fit through my planer, so we'll take a couple passes and clean all that up. And then I've also got to take it to the table saw and square off both ends. And then I like to do a chamfer on the underside and just a slight round over on the top side. As far as a finish, it's a butcher block conditioner that's got wax and mineral oil in it. Then we'll put some rubber feet on it and we'll be done. Be sure to subscribe. If you want to watch another video, those will be on the screen. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.